Okay. So far today, I have the music turned off. If I get bored, though, I might turn it back on. So, um, hello. I'm an electrical engineering student, and I am trying to teach myself to program and code before I get into that class. uh, the one that I'm working on right now is the Swift language because I think it'd be awesome if I was able to create Apple apps and such because that's the what's the word? I use Apple products a lot because my phone is Apple, my laptop is Apple, so I would like to learn the language. Okay, great. We are going to get into this. I've already done this one. What it was I needed to get him to start here, go through, collect a gem, come back, and then teleport into here, collect that gem, come back, and then get all the way through. I've already done it. I'll show you what it looks like though. If I click run, it sets the portals to not active, collects the gem, turns around. Now that it's one, it turns the portals on, which is great because then he comes in here, turns around, collects the gem, turns back around, and since he's going that direction, he'll just keep going that direction. Go into the blue portal, come out here, and once he collects this one, it activates here, which means the blue portal is now off. And he's going to turn around and go get this last gem. Now the gem counter is set to 4, so we're done. Awesome. Next page. Corners of the world. All right, we've got orange and green portals. So for this challenge, there are lots of gems and switches in the puzzle world with several portals to teleport through. That means there are lots of ways to solve the puzzle. As you write your code, try different solutions in your head to find the most efficient one. Writing efficient code results in a program that runs faster, which makes people using the app happy and improves the battery life. Access the portals using green and orange portal. Okay, so we need to activate all of these and collect all of the gems. So I'm just going to see, okay, if we run it, it does not randomize, so that's good. But I'm going to write one of my favorite functions, which is function toggle collect. And this is where he says if he's on a gem, then collect the gem. Easy as that. And then else, if is on a closed switch, then toggle switch. That's my first function. I really like that function because it helps put it into one simple command for whether he's on a gem or on a switch. So we also should create another function called navigate. This is another one that I like. And this is just helping him to move around the map. So if is blocked and is not blocked to the left, then turn left, right? Else, if is blocked and is not blocked to the right, then turn right. That is some pretty straightforward logic right there. He's going to turn left predominantly because that is the first code. It's first in the order downwards. So let's see. He's going to look at this and he's going to say, okay, I'm blocked and I'm not blocked to the left. So I'm going to turn left. And he's going to move forward, which we need that to be a command, which we should also do another if is blocked. So is not blocked, then move forward. Because there's been many times where he slams into the wall because he doesn't know to not move forward because it's blocked. So that I just like to put that one in there. Okay, so he's going to turn left. Let's see here. I think what he should do is come up here, toggle the switches, and then turn the portal back on so that he teleports over here, and then immediately turn it back off. Right? That's what makes sense to me. But here's the problem here. He's going to keep going forward till he gets here, and then he's going to turn around, and then he's going to march back this way, which we don't want. So, what do we want to do here to make it so he's not going to just march away? Well, we could turn it into, instead of a condition where it's both blocked in front and not blocked to the side, we can just make it so it's like, if it's not blocked this way, then he needs to turn this way. I think I'm going to do that. So let's just get rid of all of that. If it's not blocked right, then turn right. I think that's great, because then he'll go, let's see, he'll turn right, and then he'll move forward. As long as we have this off, then he'll move here, and then turn right, and come in here, and then we'll need him to toggle. But then it says, okay, I think we need to do another else if is blocked. Oh, if is blocked, then just turn left. No, turn right, because we want him to predominantly turn right. That way he'll turn around. Okay, let's start writing our actual function, and we're going to go with a while command because I think those just run the best. Actually, no, before we write the while, we need to write a few more things. Let's write a variable, gem counter equals 0, and variable switch counter also equals 0. Okay, now we can write a while gem counter equals, do we need to do 2 equals here? I think so. Wait. While gem counter does not equal 6, or switch counter does not equal 6, then he needs to navigate and toggle collect. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Only problem is that the portals are all just active right now. So what we need to do is determine when they need to be on and when they need to be off. I think we can put it into the toggle collect if we really wanted to, but it's probably better if we put it in here in the while. So if Oh, here we go. In the toggle collect, we need to actually add in a gem counter thing, but I'm going to move these variables up above just so we know that there's not going to be any problems with counting. So once he collects a gem, we need to add to the gem counter. So we're going to do a plus equals 1. And then we also need to do that to the switch. So the switch counter plus equals 1. Okay. Now we come back here. If the switch counter equals 2, then we need to put the orange portal dot is active equals true. So we're actually going to start this off with orange portal dot is active to false. That way, once he gets to there and turns those two on, then he'll activate it. And let's see. And then we also need to do an else. I guess we could just put it in a separate if, but I want to see if it'll work in an else. Because once he gets to 3, then we need to put the orange portal, turn that back off. Right? So he's going to come in here. That could be a problem here. Because the navigate is predominantly going to make him go right. So maybe we need to switch it to be left. No, I don't think so. This one's got me thinking now. Let's just see what he does for now. Okay, he turns, moves forward, because I believe he's gonna turn that one on, come over here, turn that one on, and then that'll turn the portal on. So he's gonna turn around, come out the portal here, collect this gem, which turns the portal off. Oh, he turned. Oh, interesting. Why? Wait. Okay, I think I do need to take that out of the else. He turned, which if we turn that orange portal off, then he should go here and then here, but he's still gonna miss this one right here. I wonder. Okay, how about in this true statement, we move him into it and then we turn him right. That way he'll be facing this gem, and then he turns around, goes here, and then here, and then here. Let's speed it up a little bit. That's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted. Okay. So get rid of those. And let's do that again. Okay, why did that still not... Oh. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, we need to change this to the gem counter. That's what's going on. Oh, do you see that? It keeps going on and off and on and off and on and off and on and off. That is because we have the orange portal here. When it... Wait. Oh, okay. It's because this and this were both active at the same time. So we need to do less than 2 and equals 1. That way it doesn't keep doing that over and over and over. Okay, it's still not doing it. Oh man. Okay, I've messed up here. I wonder if we need to just move this. No, we can't. I think though we could add in a and gem counter equals 0. That way he comes out, collects the gem, and then this one's no longer true, which means it moves on to this guy, which makes it false. That makes sense to me so far. And then we don't really have to mess with the orange anymore. But it doesn't fix the problem that he's not getting all of these gems. So I want to try putting in the move forward and then turn right again. I just want to see what that does. Because he should activate those 2. Nope, that did not work. Okay, so he goes here, and then here, and then back here. And then without these 2, he just goes right back into the navigate, which turns him right. I wonder if I need to do it like twice or something. Or maybe... Because we need to make it happen for just that one time. And in a while statement, it's kind of hard. I think we could write in, though, an if not is blocked right and is not blocked left, then he needs to just turn right. That gives you an extra turn right when he's not blocked on either side. Okay. Gosh dang it. What if I just throw in a turn right? I think that's going to turn him up here, but I want to see. Whoa, it worked. I just kind of want to see what he's going to do here. Interesting. It's just going to go around the whole thing. Yeah, now it's just repeating. Okay. Well. Just going to restart it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should probably just start the green portal equals false. Just start it off. And then if gem counter equals 6. Oh, wait. Yeah, if gem counter equals 6 and the switch counter equals 2, then green portal dot is active equals true. That turns it on. So he'll come up here and he'll see that this spot is open, so he'll collect that, and then it's the portal's open. So he comes in, and then he's going to be here, and then he'll turn right and do that. So I think we could probably just do an else. And then turn the green portal is active equals false. So that way, once he gets through here and activates one, this is no longer true, so it makes it false. Turns it on, look at that. And then turns it off. Awesome. Look at that. We got it, we got it, we got it. Okay, let's do one more, because that will get us to the end of types. This right here. We've already done variables. We're on types right now, and then we still have initialization, parameters, world building, and arrays. But we're just going to finish types, and then I have a whole bunch of work that I need to be working on. So we'll go and do that. Okay. He's on a gem right now. Interesting. Let total gems equal random number of gems. Okay. So the random number of gems, I believe, is just like their way of creating a value for however many are generated. It's not something that I could define on my own. Okay, let's create a variable of the gem counter, because obviously we need that. Okay, and then also do the function navigate. And this is just... Actually, we're also going to throw in another function. And we're going to put that function inside of navigate. And that function is my favorite, toggle collect, but we're actually just going to call it collect today. Ooh. Which is if is on gem, then collect the gem, right? So in navigate, we'll do collect, and then if what do we want to do here? If it's not blocked, move forward. Else, if it is blocked, then turn left. We'll do left this time. Okay, that's great, that's great. And then while the gem counter does not equal the total gems, then we want him to keep moving. So he needs to navigate. And then we need to turn off the, what's it called? Turn off the portal once he reaches a certain amount of gems. So let's see. He's gonna collect and then move, and then he's here. And then, what's the word? Check if there's a gem. No. Move. And then he needs to collect. Or, okay, whatever. I think those are going to randomize, though. Yeah. Is he just going to keep moving? Yeah, he's just going to keep on moving. But he's going to come back to this, and then go here, and then go here. Okay. So that's not going to work. We're just going to stop him there. Let's see. Because we do need to turn off the gems. My question was, are they always in the same... No, they're not always in the same place. So how do we know when to turn off the portal? Like, I want there to be a way that I can just turn off the portal as soon as he uses it. Because I would say something like, if he has collected this gem and this gem, then turn the portal off. And then once he collects this gem, turn it back on. That way he comes out. Oh, but then he'll still be coming the wrong way. Because he'll come out this way. I know it's probably really obvious and I'm just staring it in the face. Let me click run again, see how it keeps generating. So it could generate any of those places. Hi, bud. Okay. There needs to be a better way to turn off the portal. Like, let me turn it off as soon as I use it. I wonder Oh, okay. I have an idea. So the gems are totally random, but the map is not. So we know he's going to move 1, and then 2, and then 3. And so every time he navigates, we can add to our own variable. So let's do variable spaces. Sure. Make that equals a 0. And every time he navigates, we add to the counter. So we do spaces plus equals 1. And then we can check. So if spaces is less than 3, then we want the purple portal, or is that pink? Pink portal is active to be false. No. True. Else, if spaces is greater than 3, then we want that to be false. And I can already see that we're going to have a problem with this, because once he gets over 3, then it's going to be false, right? So he can come and easily get these 2, but then it's not going to work. Because we need to turn that back on for him. So let's see. He'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. So once he gets to 6, is there a way that I can be like, if it's in between this variable? Let's say because like I want it to be that. I want it to be active like that until another number. So instead of doing greater, maybe we should just keep doing less. And say the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it's less than 6, then, oh, there's an extra S in there. That way, it only works if it's less than that specific number. That makes sense to me. 6, 7, 8. So then we do another else if spaces is less than 7. Hold on, I keep having to readjust how I'm sitting. Okay, if spaces is less than 7, then we set it back to true. And then we do it one more time. I feel like there's got to be an easier way to do that, right? and we'll do it at, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then that should get us to there. I've got a missing bracket. Oh, okay. Okay, turns it off, turns around. Oh, is it, why did it turn it back on? No. One. Two, 3, 4, 5. I don't, hold on. Oh, okay. So that doesn't work. Because it then looked at all of these other variables and was like, false, true, technically. I think that's what happened. Right? No, that shouldn't work. That shouldn't happen. Oh, it counted the turning as oh. Okay. What if I put the spaces into the navigate? No. Put the spaces right there under move forward. That way it only happens when he moves. Okay, portal back on. That's good. That's good. Collect. Turn around. Why did it not turn back on? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think maybe I should change this to 9. That way it forces it to go all the way up to 9 and then turn it off. Okay, I think that's good for the pink. So I'm gonna push that out of the way. And then he's gonna go this way. And then he's gonna pop out here. But how do I turn the blue one off? I could do the same thing, but I'm gonna have to count forever. I feel like I'm missing something here because there's gotta be way usable, way more usable. Okay, I'm just going to do some counting for now. I'm sure they'll come up with something like, as soon as you use the portal, turn it off, you know? That's what I want to happen, but whatever. Okay, 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then he's going to, so that's 10. What is he going to do from there? It's blocked. So he's going to turn left. So here, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, then he's going to just start going back and forth right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's add in some logic here. So else. What if we get him to turn right? 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 And then it still wouldn't be blocked. Okay, I think maybe we need to bring this to the top. Okay, open, close, open, close, open, close. Oh. So he's going to check first to see if he's blocked to the right, which for the majority of the time he is. So he's then going to check if he's blocked forward, which he's not. So he's going to go boom, and then boom, boom. And then he's going to be like, okay, I'm blocked to the right, I'm blocked, so I need to turn left. So he's going to turn left twice. Wait. Turn left goes this way. And he's going to turn left again. Okay. And he's going to go forward. Yep. And then forward, back. And then he gets here, and then he's going to go forward, and he's not blocked to the right, so he's going to go right. And he's like, okay, now I'm blocked. So it turns around. And then here, 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 and then here. And then here, and then here. Okay, let's count all those. So he goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. If spaces equals 18. Then blue portal dot is active equals false. Okay, let's give this a go. I'm going to speed them up a little bit. That was weird. Why is he doing that? Oh, because he's... Flip Roonies. Hey, hold on. The gem counter equals the total of gems. Unless it doesn't. Ah, it doesn't. Ah, come on. Plus equals 1. How did I miss that? Alright, we're running this as fast as possible. Brilliant. This is a little messy right here. I think this definitely could be better, but I didn't know exactly what to do. So that's my only notes on that one. Next we go into initialization, but I'm not going to start that today. That is it for the live stream today. So thank you for joining me. Does my mouse? Oh, look at my mouse. It's huge. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you maybe in the next one, which, by the way, I do these on my own time just for fun. So if I'm much further ahead, then it is what it is. So goodbye.